Hi, my name is Miss Alex, and welcome to my STEAM classroom. I have been a STEAM educator for the better part of 10 years, and I'm really looking forward to connecting with you and your learners here on Young Scholars Academy. In this particular STEAM course, we are going to be diving deep, deep, deep into our planet, our home, planet Earth. We're going to go all the way into the center, learn about all the layers of the Earth. We'll look at tectonic plates, we'll do volcanoes, earthquakes, and then as we move out to the surface of the Earth, we'll look at landforms, green energy. We're going to do wind and weather and clouds. We'll be studying soil and rock formations. I'm going to flip over to my desktop, speaking of rocks, and just quickly show you a little something that we've been working on this week in my STEAM class, which is the kind of thing that you can expect from this class. We've been rock hounds. So you can see I've got my magic rock hammer here, and each child has chosen a spot where we can dig into the Earth's surface and see what we can discover. Once we dig in and see what's inside, we record it on our paper. We make observations, we describe it, and then we look it up in our rock book to find out just what kind of rock it is and how it was formed. So that's just one of the things that you can expect in this hands-on class all about our amazing Earth. Come on this journey with me. I can't wait to meet you.